So this neoprene like sheath that's around the batteries. I don't know how much I care for that. It gives it a softer kind of gentler interaction with the environment when you set it down or whatever. But it picks up stuff like it's picking up the last cookies I ate at the table here, and it picks up stuff, which is not very. I will likely just take this thing off, is my guess, for everyday use. I don't, But anyway, all right. Does it come on? Is the question. Will it power on? And what will it say or do? Push. Push again. Hold. There we go. This one happens to be at, I don't know if you can see it, 28%. I'm not sure that it's focusing. See if I can get it to focus. This is a relatively modest cell phone. It's just probably too bright. It's overloading the cell phone's image sensor for brightness. So that's unfortunate. Can't seem to get it to focus. Or it's probably focused, but it's just it's not. Let's see if I can back off. That didn't work either. Well, at any rate, if for any of those of you who own Omnicharge already, it's a pretty typical display. This one happens to be delivered with 28%. And it's got the various buttons for menu functions, and they're the power output selections. How do I get back out now? Maybe I press this to get out of the menu. Yes. Incorrect setting. Oh no, that's I see. Oh, no, I don't want yes, no. No. Yes, no. Alright, so anyway, I just have to learn that. That seems to be pretty much the way the other Omnicharge devices work. So there it is, in all of its glory. Just a bigger, more versatile version of the other ones, because it has direct input. I believe that can take solar input. Well, that's at least where the power brick goes. It's AC out, as well as Type-C out, as well as USB maybe 3.0. I don't know. They're not. The tabs are not blue, but I believe it's a quick charge output. But we can check on that. Programmable DC output, and the Type-C, which I think I mentioned before. So it's got all the outputs. I need to test and see whether or not my other Omnicharge devices that have a Type-C output are bidirectional can also be charged with the Type-C, which is extremely useful. I hope this one is the same, but I'll have to check on that. Oops, so that's that.